Hello everybody, this is Alloutdoor1 here. This time I'm looking at the Vango Halo 300 tent. Recently purchased this tent. It's a good 2 to 3 man tent. It comes in a smaller version as well. This particular model has 2 doors, one on either side. If you walk around here, it has exactly the same door arrangement on this side. Sorry about the shadow. Simply unzips from that point there all the way around. So far it's proved to be a good tent, very waterproof, 3000 HH hydrostatic head, good quality nylon so far, no problems with it. Good amount of ventilation, comes with a couple of vents as standard over here, and there's a little bar here with Velcro on it. You simply attach it to the bottom side and it just ensures that the ventilation stays open. Obviously it makes it colder inside the tent, and it was 0 degrees last night Celsius, so that's staying shut at the moment. So yeah, pins down here, you simply remove that and the door opens. Obviously there's a zip there as well. Good thing about this tent is there's a lot of space in between the inner tent, the orange inner tent, and the green fly sheet, and that's maintained all the way around, all throughout the tent. I've looked, those are hanging points there, you know, ensure that the distance is equal all the way around, and that means that basically there's no condensation build-up on the inside of the tent, which I've found to be the case with some other tents that I've had. This tent consists of 3 equal length aluminium poles. They slot together very easily, very lightweight, very durable. Lots of guy lines. Here, if you see, the poles just go into a kind of loop, metal in material loop. Pretty durable stuff, I'd say. It was quite windy last night. The inside of the tent didn't flex or bend at all. As I said, it consists of 3 poles of equal length, which means that when you're putting the tent together, it's very easy. You know, you don't have to mess around trying to find which pole goes in which sleeve. You can just start with any one. Yeah, the fly sheet stays a good distance, comes down far enough, I'd say. You know, maybe if there was extreme driving rain from the side, you might have a little problem, but so far the rain was quite bad last night and there was no problem whatsoever. If we have a look inside the tent now, right, as you can see, that's the other door, opposite end. Having 2 doors also means that you can get a nice breeze going through, so there's definitely no condensation build-up, and you know, the air stays nice and fresh. As you can see over there, I've unzipped the mesh panel, so there's, you know, that's in the inner tent, and there's still a very, very fine mesh panel there. You can probably barely pick it up. It's sorry, if I show it to you on this door, it's there. Yeah, so that, you know, allows for good ventilation inside as well. In the roof here we have mesh ventilation also, and the mesh means that, you know, bugs can't get in. It's a very sturdy tent design. This particular one, the Vango Halo 300, is very spacious inside. 3 people could squeeze in there, or 2 people with quite a lot of equipment. As you can see, that's all my equipment over there, and my sleeping mat here. Still lots of space. It has some Good pockets on the corners here, on this side and on this side there. They're quite roomy, you can put quite a few things in there. Yeah, so this is just a quick look at the tent, as I said. Yeah, I think so far it's proving itself as a good tent. I've used it on 4 occasions now and it's held up well in all conditions. Because it's got such good ventilation, it's not the warmest of tents, but you know, if you've got a good sleeping pad and bag, then that's really not a problem. Other tents I have, where, as I say, the space in between the fly sheet and the inner tent is very small, basically allowing less air to circulate, you can get warmer inside those kind of tents. However, on the downside, you get a huge amount of condensation buildup. So when you're trying to fold your tent up, you know, it's all wet on the inside as well, which is inconvenient. But this tent here just forms no ventilation. I mean, has such good ventilation that there's no condensation on the inside, basically, so far. Yeah, it's very simple to peg out. I mean, I put this up by myself in approximately less than 15 minutes, definitely. Has storm flaps on the zip, so it folds over the zip and secures in place with Velcro, so you're not getting any leakage inside. Lots of guy lines, guy points for extra stability. Yeah, it's semi-geodesic, as you can see. Fire retardant materials. Yeah, all in all, recommended tent. That's the Vango Halo 300. This is Alloutdoor1 here. Subscribe to my channel for more reviews and news and information. I hope you find this video useful. That's the Vango Halo 300 tent, UK manufacturer. Good price. I think I paid £120 for this one. Probably available cheaper online somewhere, I'm sure. But yeah, definitely recommended by me. A worthwhile tent. Okay, thanks for that. Cheers, take care.